Alright, and we are live. What's up, everybody? It is Mr. Drew welcoming you to another episode of the Andrew Gloszewski Experience. This is going to be episode like 533, something like that. Swimming Bird. Let's switch it up. Let's draw something else. Naturally, I'm rendering videos in the background, so I'm just doing the whole IRL joint. That is going to be it for this one, man. I started late. I've been just working on videos, so hey, it is what it is, man. I want to thank y'all for stopping by. Thank you for watching. It's Mr. Drew, Andrew Gloszewski Experience 533. gmrdrew.art. Links to everywhere in there. Mr. Drew on all socials. You know what to do. Alright, y'all. Love y'all. Peace.